You may or may not have noticed that I took a little time away from my channel. December was its usual craziness like it is for everyone, but I had a brand new grandson. And then January, we had illness, nothing serious, but it got away from me too. But I am back and ready to make 2023 my best year yet. Just want you to know I appreciate each and every one of you. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Stitch Fix day. Stitch Fix is a styling service where you give them all your wants and needs and styles and all those kinds of things, and they will curate looks for you and send them to you. There's a $20 styling fee, which applies to anything that you purchase. There's a discount if you buy everything. Always a return envelope. First of all, I've had Ash as my stylist. Let's look at this one and see if she is still my stylist. I've had pretty good luck with Ash, and alrighty. All the best, L. I wonder why just an initial. Wonder why not a name. I had requested straight leg STS blue straight leg jeans in a 4 instead of a 6 because those styles don't look good on me. I don't know, but she couldn't do that. But she did. She said she or he, who knows, L, that she said they said I did snag the STS blue tapered ankle jean in a 4. Let's see how that works for me. So let's get into this. Last time I had, hold on. I had a couple of people use my code last time, so I had a pretty nice discount, and I just wanted to reiterate how much I appreciate y'all for using my link. I will have one down below again. And if you'd like to try it, you'll get $25 off your first box, and I'll get $25 off my next box. Also, your $20 applies to your styling fee, and I think with Stitch Fix, for your first box is $1. So with $1 styling fee and $25 off, and then the discount if you buy all 5, your first box is pretty low risk. And you do get the buy all discount every time, and it is, sorry, I can never remember, 25% off your total box if you buy everything. Let's get started on this box, and we will start. This is the Tawny Cotton Blend Waffle Stitch Sweater by Market & Spruce. I think my mailman's about to be here, so. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. It does have the waffle knit, and it's a gray and a blue and then a darker gray. I think this is cute. We'll see. Next is the Elsie Side Ribbed Sweater by Letty and Me. And this one feels really good. Oh man, this is cute too, I think. It's got like a pink, kind of a dusty pink, and then a lighter pink banded at the bottom. It's got buttons at the sleeves, and then it says, oh, I'm showing you the back. There's the front. It does have this side ribbed, here comes my mailman, side rib detail. Mailman. So this looks really cute. And then next, these are the Cassandra Pull-On Boot Cut Pant by Violet and Roses. Not sure I've ever seen Violet and Roses, but it's a burgundy. They feel really good, boot cut. We'll see how the fit is. No, I don't think I'd put that with that. And then these last two pair of jeans, these are the STS blue that she was talking about. This is the Carolina high-rise straight leg. Caroline high-rise straight leg. Oh, I hope they fit. They're a 28. Is that a 4 or a 6? I don't know. And then last, these are the Christie high-rise button-fly tapered ankle jeans by STS Blue. These might be the ones, yeah, these are a 27. These are the ones we're gonna try in the smaller size. It does have a little bit of distressing here, and then the same on this back pocket. So let's try these on and see what we think. I will be right back. All right, let's start with the Violet and Roses Cassandra pull-on boot cut pants. Trousers probably is what they're calling them. In burgundy, size 6, $58. Not a bad price. They're very comfortable. I have paired them this time with just this very neutral camel colored sweater that I got in a box not too very long ago. And I've got my burgundy little booties on, which they really kind of match perfectly. No pockets. These are pull-on. I don't think I said that. And then no working pockets in the back. They're very comfortable. I think they're pretty cute. They don't touch the ground, but they almost do. They're almost just kind of a perfect length for these boots. This is outfit number 1 with these pants. I'm going to show you one other way that I would wear these. So I will be right back. I think it's from a Wannable box, this blue sweater. Done a front tuck, the blanket sweater, which has the burgundy and the navy, which kind of pulls it all together. And I'm wearing it as a shawl. So I thought this was really cute and just a really good different look. And I still have on the burgundy booties. Here is this. And I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, here is outfit number 2. We'll start with the top, which is the Elsie side rib sweater in pink, size medium, $48. These are good prices. By Letty and Me. I think this is okay. This doesn't just like grab me. I paired this with the STS Blue Caroline high-rise straight leg jeans, indigo, size 6, $59. I like these. When I put them on, I have asked for them, for these looser fitting jeans, to size me down and just let me see. And when I put these on, because I've got 2 jeans from STS Blue, and so I thought when I put them on, I thought these must be the smaller size because I like the fit. They don't look, they're casual, they're very casual. They've got them turned up just like a little bit of a, kind of the size of the hem turn up, but very casual, very comfortable. I wish they were, my belly button's right here, and I wish they were a little bit higher, but they're very comfortable. I think they're cute. It's like the first time I have liked the style of the looser fit, and these are not the 4s. The other ones that I hopefully will be able to put on, since these are a 6 in the STS Blue, the others are a 4, I may not be able to get them on, but I like these jeans. I felt like this was super casual, so I paired it with just my little white sneakers. This top, like I said, I don't just love it. It's got the button detail on the sleeve, and then it's got this kind of detail here, and the back. It feels kind of collegiate, if you know what I'm talking about, but not really. I have it I would probably front tuck it, which I just have this turned up. And then this makes it easy to do that. But I have it turned up, and then here's what it looks like untucked. But I like the jeans. This is okay, I think it's cute. It's just not something that just really grabs me or that I would grab in my closet. So I will be back hopefully with the other pair of jeans on and the last sweater. So be right back. Okay, last. This is the Market & Spruce Tawny Cotton Blend waffle knit, perhaps, probably, in gray, size medium, $68. I don't love this. I think it's cute. I actually like stripes like this, but it's not soft at all. In fact, it's pretty scratchy. And I have it tucked into these. These are the STS Blue, Christy. The other ones were Caroline. This is Christy High Rise Button Fly, tapered leg, indigo size 4, $68. I really, really like them. I like the fit. I'm really surprised. They fit very similarly to the 6s, which I know different styles, different. But what I don't like about them and what I would not do is button fly. I just don't care for that. But I have this tucked in, a little front tuck. I'm going to show, I have these with my gray booties because this is gray, a light gray, a dark gray, and then a blue. Kind of almost a lavender kind of blue. Let me get my little sneakers on. Here it is with my little sneakers, my favorite shoes. I like this look better than with the boots. But like I say, I like these. I really like the other jeans. I would do these if they weren't button fly, and I won't do the sweater. Now let's do a really quick wrap up. I'm very much considering the other jeans, and they were $58, and I think that's a really good price. No, $59. Still gonna get them. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna think about the burgundy pants, the first outfit. I'll think about that. The jeans for sure I'm gonna get. Neither of the tops. And what was the other? Oh, these jeans. The total stylist picks subtotal 301. Not too bad. Buy all discount 25%, $75.25, and that would bring the order total to $225.75. And I do have the style pass, so I don't have to pay the $20 styling fee. I really think this was a good box with just a few little, I really liked all 3 pants. I just didn't love the sweaters. But let me know what y'all think. That is it for this Stitch Fix unboxing. I will see you next time, y'all. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.